Yeah, oh, look at the mother got irritated. I'm getting closer to the nest right there. Let's take a look at the nest. Oh, she got irritated. She want to chase me out. That's the mother robin right there. That's the mother. There's a father too. The father a little smaller one. There, the mother a little bigger. I'm gonna take a look at the nest. She laid 3 blue eggs in there. I think it's only 2 of them hatch. It's only 2 birds hatch. The other egg didn't hatch, so it's only 2. See, the baby already have some feather a little bit. Oh. The baby has some feather now, but I think it might be another week to go before they fully grown. Look at that. They irritated. They try to chase me out. Oh, look at that. That's the father right there. Oh, the father. Come on. Oh, the father is really, he's a little smaller. Oh, see the mother right there. She tried to chase me out. It's okay. I'm not gonna do anything. I just want to take a look at your babies. That's it. See, they're gonna chase after me again. See you, like. Look at that. Look at the father looking. See, as soon as I put the camera next to the nest right there, it's gonna chase after me. See, there's only 2 babies. One of them didn't hatch. Got 3 eggs before. Come on. Chase me away. That's the father. Oh, that's the father right there. Come on. That's the father trying to chase me away. That's the mother. That's definitely the mother. The father right there. That's the father. Oh. Oh, look at that, the father. That's the mother. That's the mother. Oh, it's coming down again. Hit my head to fly right. I see this one tried to do. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Come on. That's okay. I'm just trying to take a look at your babies. That's all. I'm not gonna do anything.